and support to the company and its management over the years. I would like to inform you that the following documents are available at the NSDL portal for the purposes of inspection and reference of any of the members. A. The annual accounts for the financial year 2023-24, along with the report of directors and the auditors thereon. B. The register of directors' shareholdings. C. The register of investments. And D. The memorandum and articles of association of the company. With the permission, I take the notice dated 14th of May 2024, convening the 67th Annual General Meeting and Auditor's Report as read. Representations received. I would like to announce that your company has received representations from 3 corporate members holding 1,40,056 equity shares of ₹10 each, comprising 34.66% of the share capital of the company. Company performance. I would like to share the performance of your company for the financial year 2023-24. The sales of specialty chemicals was 35.70 crores in the financial year 2023-24 as compared to 33.72 crores in the previous financial year 2022-23. The profit after tax for the financial year 2023-24 is 6 crores and 3 lakhs as against 3 crores and 72 lakhs, which is an increase of 62% as against the previous year. Dividend. The board of directors of the company has recommended dividend of ₹30 per share or ₹10 each, i.e. 300% for the financial year 2023-24 as against ₹20 per share, i.e. 200% dividend in the previous financial year 2022-23 due to the improved performance of the company. Moving on to quarterly results. For the quarter ended 30th June 2024, the company has generated a net profit after tax of 1 crore and 75 lakhs as against a profit of 1 crore and 21 lakhs for the quarter ended 30th of June 2023. The current year's profit is higher on account of substantial increase in other income. However, this year it looks like it will be difficult for the company. The top line and the bottom line will be affected due to certain supply constraints and market conditions and higher freight rates. Hence, we expect the turnover and profitability of the company to perhaps come under some element of pressure this year. I would request the members, if they have any questions or observations on the annual accounts of the company, to please come forward now.
There are 4 shareholders who have registered as speaker shareholder. Our first speaker is Ms. Shobna Mehta. Can you please unmute Ms. Shobna Mehta?
Hello.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, good morning.
Very good morning. Respected Chairman, Sri Tanil ji, MD Sri Parthiv ji, अन्य मेरे डायरेक्टर भाइयों मिस निर्मला जी और शेयरहोल्डर भाई बहन, मेरा नाम शोभना मेहता। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। सर, सबसे पहले कहूंगी कि जानकर बड़ा दुख हुआ कि हमारे डेप्यूटी एमडी श्री अतुल भाई आज हमारे बीच में नहीं रहे। भगवान उनकी आत्मा को शांति प्रदान करे। हमारी कंपनी में उनका काफी
received on email by Mr. Garg. I will reply to some of the others. The number of employees is about 23, of which 4 to 5 are ladies, so about 25%. The decline in revenue this year is expected. It's not certain, but it's due to market conditions in terms of demand from the West, certain supply constraints, and as I mentioned earlier, freight rates which have gone up very dramatically with the situation in the Middle East. Difficult to predict a steady state EBITDA. It's difficult to predict because it depends a lot on, as I said, freight rates and raw material prices, and oil, as you know, is bouncing around the place. So our major raw material, styrene, also bounces around the place. So it's difficult to predict what the EBITDA is likely to be going forward. Domestic, we sell about 20% of our product to 25% in the domestic market, and we think we have about a 30 to 40% market share of the domestic market. Our capacity is roughly 100 to 120 tons per month, which is what we are capable of producing at based on various job workers who we work with. And the major end use for our product is in investment casting waxes. Our product is used as a filler for investment casting waxes, both in India and abroad. So that answers a lot of the questions I think that have been put forward. I thank you for the same. Now I request members to approve the following resolutions. Ordinary business. Number 1, adoption of accounts, which is an ordinary resolution. Number 2, declaration of dividend of rupees 30 per equity share of rupees 10 each, i.e. 300%, which is also an ordinary resolution. And number 3 is reappointment of Mr. P.T. Kilachan, who retired by rotation but is eligible and comes up for reappointment. That is also an ordinary